Hello everybody, it's Nikki, and today I have a Fashion Nova haul slash thing. Unboxing, unpackaging, it's right here. Let's get to it. Alright, so I bought some Fashion Nova because the reason why I bought Fashion Nova was because A, I love their jeans. Like, surprisingly, I love their jeans. Okay? The pair I like right now is called Precious Fit. I will link that down below, but that is the best fitting jeans I've ever worn from Fashion Nova, and it actually has pockets and they have a couple of different colors. These jeans are so exclusive that they're always sold out basically, so I'm always on the waiting list to get a pair. I'm waiting to get a pair of black ones. Like, I don't have a pair of black ones. I have the light colored one and the dark blue colored one, but I want a black one. They have the black one. So like I was saying, I wanted to get mom jeans. Oh yes, I wanted to get mom jeans because I've never got mom jeans before, and they look cool on some people and that's like the style. So I was like, I need me to get some mom jeans right now on Fashion Nova. They just had a 30% off coupon deal recently, so I went ahead and used my coupon code and I got some awesome stuff. I had to pick, like, the first thing I wanted was to look for some mom jeans, so I researched and browsed and all that good stuff for some mom jeans, not ripped, not distressed, regular mom jeans, and I found these perfect ones and I got them. So I got mom jeans, and then I bought everything else around that area to raise the price up to over $75, because if you spend over $75 you get free shipping. So with the coupon you end up getting over $100 something worth of stuff. Like, then you put the coupon and then it lowers down, so I'm just tipping the bar over 75. I think I spent like about $80 something, but I got some stuff that I wanted and that's what I'm going to show you. I got this bag, it's about this big. This is $80 something worth with the coupon. It was more without the coupon. So let's take everything out and get to this. Let's get to this right here. Throw the bag away. All right, let's talk about this. This is the first thing I'm gonna show you. I got some jewelry for the first time from Fashion Nova. I've never got jewelry from there before, so I got some rings, some one size gold rings that I'm going to try on. I didn't get a chance to do my nails because I'm waiting for my acrylic to come in, because I want to do some ombre. I love me some ombre. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty nice. They're nice. They come, it's individual rings, one size. I don't know, I don't remember exactly, like 10 ring set. So let me try some on. So this is pretty nice. It's a circle and this is like a swirl. Let's see which one it fits. You know what sucks is that my fingers are not small, so these end up being like knuckle rings to me. But these are nice. These are my knuckle rings because they do not fit my fingers, unfortunately. But I like knuckle rings, they're cool. For all the times I bought Fashion Nova, I only had to do returns twice. And then that's it. I just had to get my size and learn the sizing a little bit. So if you've never did a return and everything's good on your part, then you are lucky. You are the lucky one. But I only had to do a return 2 times. So, alright, so let's start with the ribbed square neck Cami in white. I got these. Okay. So here we go. This is a large, obviously, because this is the size I always get. Actually, no, I get a 1X, but in tank tops, I'm a large. So this looks nice. It's like squared off, this little cami, and it's ribbed. So it's not bad. Looks like that. I don't even know if it's gonna fit me. This is like totally camied out, like, cause I'm like big up here, so I got bigger up here, so obviously it stretches out the material and pulls it up more. But if like you were smaller in the front, it would go down more. So I think this is gonna stretch around and go really high above me, like totally crop top style. but this is nice. I like it. I like the material. So I got that, and the next thing I got was the Just One Time Top Black. So that means it's this. This is the tank top. I usually get these to put underneath my shirts and stuff like that. Sometimes if I don't want to wear like a bra or whatever, and I just want to, oh, this has a built-in bra inside actually, like another layer. Usually my tank tops just have just one layer, but this is double reinforcement. So this is a regular black spaghetti top cami tank top, and I always wear these, so this is cool. This is gonna be nice. Got that. And the next one, Just One Time in Burgundy. I like me some burgundy. I got some burgundy Converses, so this will match beautifully. Converse Madison, my favorite style as of now, because it has a puffed out lip. And this is a nice burgundy. I don't know why it looks a little bit more red on the camera than it does in person, but it's the same thing as the black one. I got this in a large. I'm losing weight currently. I'm 205 pounds. I'm 5'7", and I wear a size 15 in Fashion Nova jeans. Like, you know, it fits me perfect. So, got that. The next thing I got was Natalie biker shorts, gray. Okay, Natalie biker shorts, gray. It's these. Okay, let's check these out. So these are pretty thin. These feel pretty thin. Not as thick as the, what are those called? The Bondoc biker shorts. Those are more thicker. So these are more thinner than the Bondoc shorts I was talking about. I don't even know if I'm saying it right. These are pretty thin, which is cool because I don't mind it thin. The thick ones are good because you probably don't see any lines too much or see-through, but these are nice. I got these in a size large because I don't know if that was the highest size. No, I think I'm a large in leggings, so I just thought I'd be a large in biker shorts. And I think these will fit me fine because they stretch. Savage crop top. This looks really nice. Out of all the shirts I saw, this was my favorite one on the graphic tees section. Look at this color, it's so nice. I got this in a 1X, extra large. I'm sorry. Wow. See, it looks big, but like when you put it on, you know, it's gonna like, this is kind of big. But like, I like it loose a little bit. Plus it might shrink. Let me just put it on my shirt that I already have right now. Actually, this long sleeve I got from Fashion Nova. So, see, look, it actually fits perfectly on me. So, Savage. So it says Savage on it because it's cool and it's a nice yellow color. And it's long, so it could cover up to your elbows almost. And you just wear this. I obviously wouldn't wear it with this black shirt, but I'm hot right now, so I'm gonna take it off. That's messing my hair up. The next thing I got was Curves for Days biker shorts in silver, which are these, which I thought was really, really nice. Ooh, these are longer. These are a little bit longer than the other one I got, but if you can see the material, it's like shiny silver, and it's more silkier. And these have more of a, how do you call, more of a, feels more sturdier and not as thin as the other one. So let's see, if you put, can't really see through too much like color wise, but this is the biker shorts. I got this in a large because I'm a large in leggings. And these are the jeans that made me buy all the other stuff that I got. So I'm usually a 15 in Fashion Nova jeans, but I got this in a 1X because looking at like 20 plus pages of the comments comparing the people's sizes and how they feel with these jeans, they suggested, majority of them suggested to size up one size because it's not like super duper stretchy. So I'm crossing fingers to see if this fits. I got this in a 1X, so look at this. These are nice. These are interesting. These are very, very good quality. These are really soft. It's soft. It's not crunchy or hard, and it's not too soft. This feels very, like, very, very good quality. And it's basic. It's like high waisted, and then it's got these natural cuffed ends. These are called I got it from my mama jeans in medium. And they always asked on the comments if these can be folded down, and it can. It can be folded down. It's just folded up. It's not permanently stuck like this, like, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I got these in a 1X, and I'm going to try them on right now for you. So these fit pretty good. These fit pretty good. My my chair's in the way. I'm gonna have to go like literally on top of it, but these are not bad. These are high-waisted. These fit me actually perfectly. And if I lose a little bit of weight, it'll be fine. I like them. It fits nice. And they feel nice sitting down with them. Too bad I can't show you like the full length effect of it, but just going by how it looks on the model itself and how people say, I definitely would suggest sizing up for this. So whatever jean size you are in Fashion Nova, go up one more size for these jeans. Recommended. Yeah, that's it. That's all I got. And I'm excited to wear them. I wanted to do this video because I wanted to wear my clothes on Sunday to go out with, and my new rings, bling bling. So that's it. I hope this video was very informative and very helpful for you to decide what you want to get, or mom jeans, or for sizing purposes. I know when I used to look for Fashion Nova before I got Fashion Nova, I used to see females my size, or I would compare and say, oh, what's your size, and I could see what I can get based on you. So it really does help people putting these videos out to explain the sizing and how that goes. So if you're interested in buying something from Fashion Nova, I got you a coupon code so you could save mucho money down below in my description box. I always use coupon codes. Always look out for those. If it's available, go ahead and use it. You could basically get a lot more worth for your money, and it's always good to use coupons. Thank you so much for watching. I love making these videos for you, and I really appreciate you watching. I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.